Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to read file from a text. Now let's go ahead and kick off immediately. Before then, go ahead and create a folder. I have created a folder in my desktop, and here is my desktop, and inside another folder called Python projects, and the folder name is Python file. Let's go ahead and create a new file. I'm gonna be text.txt. Go ahead and call that python.txt. And right here we have nothing inside there. If you can check, the kilobyte is 0 kilobyte. Go ahead and double click that to open it. I'll go ahead and say hello world. This is the first line, so it's going to pick it line by line. So next one is welcome to Python programming, and the next line is you are, let's say you are doing good. All right, so this is what we want here. So let's go ahead and limit this to this, and go ahead and hit on save. And now you can see 1 kilobyte because you've entered something inside here. And if you double click on that, can you see that? Hello world, welcome to Python programming, you are doing good. Go ahead and close that and minimize this. Now let's go ahead and start off immediately by creating text is equal to empty element, and then go ahead and use a for loop and say for I in open. Now you have to open the location of this file. Okay, go ahead and open that, and if you go ahead, you can double click, just click on that and copy the address, and then you go ahead and append python.txt afterwards. All right, go back right inside here and put that in a string format and put this. So that is my user. What you need to do is go ahead and change all this to /. Okay, if you have /, you're going to enter into a problem. So change everything to /, everything to /, and then go ahead and append / python.txt. all right, so check it out again to ensure that that is okay. So python.txt is the name. Now you have this. What you need to do right now is to go ahead and say text.append and append I right in there. Now let's go ahead and print out text. Go ahead and print out text txt. Wow, text, and that is all. So now if you go ahead and run this code, it's going to print out that, but it has not read it. Can you see that? This is the way it printed it out. But we want to put this, is going to remove this next line because this shows that this moves to the next line. Can you see that? Hello world, next line. You go ahead and read this, and then next line, you are doing good. Hello world, welcome to Python programming, next line, you are doing good. Can you see that? Now we want to extract and remove this next line. How can we do that? Go ahead and close this. I'll show you how to do this. Go ahead and say for I in range, and let that be the length of data. Okay, now we go ahead, sorry, the length of text, not data, guys, text. So we go ahead and delete everything right here. We go ahead and say if text, so if text of I element, go ahead -1, go ahead and remove anything called next line. All right, we go ahead and remove anything called next line. So -1, and text with the value of I, go ahead and say text with the value of I, go ahead and eliminate. While printing out, go ahead and eliminate the next line, so -1, and then let's print out this data again. So print out text, and now let's run this code and check it out. Boom, and here it is. Hello world, welcome to Python programming. This is the default one, the first one we did, which is up here. Okay, and now after removal of the next line, can you see hello world, a separate one, welcome to Python programming, you are doing good. Can you see that? Working out very fine, very sweet, and very interesting. So the code is just ready before you. Put it down on your own system and play around with it. And in case you have any question, do well to use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.